Welcome back, JesseMc here. Today we're going to be doing a little DIY. We're actually going to be making a spooky wreath for the Halloween holiday season coming up here. And first things first, I want everything to be monochromatic, all black, just to give it that extra creepiness factor. So the first thing we're going to do is take this wreath off the wall. We're going to paint it black because it's just like a natural brown twig, branchy wreath from Michael's. So we're going to paint that black, and then I have a couple things that we're going to be adding to it that I want to paint black. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so we got our wreath and then our couple extra items painted up black. So what I'm going to do now actually is I'm going to throw it on the floor here, and then I'm going to throw everything around it just to get a rough idea of what I'm going to do. And then I'm actually going to put it back up on the wall because that's where it's going to be and it's going to hang. So, and I have a couple things that are like drapey and weird. So I want them to hang how it's gonna hang on the wall instead of on the floor. I think it'll be a lot easier that way. So let's just go straight to it. Okay, now that we got that all just rough laid out, you did see I was sticking some of that stuff in there, so some of it will stay on. So alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and start just placing all this stuff back in. And like I said, if I can't get it to just stick within the woven branches, I have a little bit of super glue. I just put a little dab of glue and just hold everything in place. Alright, so for now, I think I'm gonna call that a stopping point for now. I'm super happy with how everything came out. I wanted just like that natural feel, like someone just went through the woods or whatever and just threw a bunch of things together and just super natural and flowing. I definitely wanted like these dangly elements, which is super cool. I like these a lot. I'm gonna have to get a couple more, I think, and just add to this, and maybe a couple other things too, just to add to it. But for now, I'm liking it. I might add like some faux candles, or maybe like a little lantern or something, just to kind of take up the middle space a little bit better. I also wanted to point out real quick that I ended up not using any glue at all. I just kind of shoved everything up into the sticks, and I mean, it's pretty, you know, nothing's falling out. If I move it like to somewhere else, some stuff might fall. A couple things did fall and I had to put them back up in, but that's pretty good, I think, because then, you know, if I ever want to change or there's stuff, I can just pull everything out and completely redo it, which probably won't happen, but it's an option. So something to keep in mind. If you enjoy what you saw, please hit that thumbs up. I'm always over here making things, doing art, all kinds of different stuff. If you want to see more, please hit the subscribe. It really helps. See you on the next one.